Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax in Dallas, and we're going to take a look at a brand new Premier 230 Intrigue, PTX log, 300 horsepower, double bimini, great boat. All right, so starting back here at the transom of the boat, White Mercury 300 with the PTX log underneath this boat, and that 300 is going to give you incredible performance. This boat will run with absolutely any other pontoon boat out there with similar horsepower, and it'll outrun a lot of pontoon boats with like 50 more horsepower. So Premier has arguably the best flip-flop lounge seating back here in the back of any brand on the market. So the way it's set up right now, you can sit on either side, front or back, or you can lift these up, put both of them down flat, to make a full sun pad, or flip this like this, use it as a rear facing lounge, or put this down flat, flip that one up and use it as a forward facing lounge. So really smartly done. Standard power bimini top, push button to raise and lower. 8 cup holders back here on the back, built-in USB port down inside of your glove box, as well as wireless cell phone charger built into here. All right, so twin captain seats forward of your lounge back here on the back, 12-inch screen on your dash, wireless cell phone chargers, controls for everything on your steering wheel, binnacle control with Mercury active trim control. Really, really done well. Oversized ski locker, and one of the plushest upholstery you'll see in a pontoon boat. You really have to feel this stuff to truly appreciate it, but it's the same stuff that Sea Ray used inside of their yacht. So really, really good stuff, and the LED lights in this is fantastic. So if you got any questions about this or any of the other boats you see online, by all means, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.